All right, 136 Maple Hill Road here in Wilmington, Delaware, and a little bit of flying. Had to keep it super low here. So anyway, this is the best shot. So there's the house, there's the big shed, and wanted to put this in there as well because this is how you'd come in. You come in from the back, and it, to me, a lot of extra value. You have the whole fenced-in yard. There is an awning there, a screened-in porch. For me personally, for this price point in Wilmington, I think it has fantastic value. So anyway, wanted to get that out there, show you kind of how it's situated. And real quick, the inside, fully refinished. So it was, I looked at the pictures, but it was a surprise even for me seeing how nice that inside was. So kudos to whoever did it. But yeah, taking some of that drone footage. I'll have a little bit squeezed in at the end too, but really didn't get a whole lot. So there we go, and I'll get you inside now. As soon as I finished backing up and just giving you one last shot of this yard. So here we go. All right, 136 Maple Hill Road. There are the listing agents right there, and they want us to come in through the back. So let's follow their wishes. Still got a little bit of time on our appointment. So check out this structure. Let's get inside right now. Again, not to hold anyone up. And then we'll talk more when we're outside. All right, in we go. All right, so in we go. We'll be super quick. Shoes off, hand sanitizer at the ready. Nice room, really big, recessed lighting. Is that wood burning? They look like gas logs. I'll double check. I don't see a pilot light. But I do see the remote up there, so I'm assuming gas. I'll check the disclosure. Newer windows. Check this. Little peek through. I like it. And they put granite there. Fantastic. So tile to keep it clean when you come in, and then the carpet appears to be new. Full bathroom as soon as you come in off that back porch. One step down, we're in the kitchen, fully redone. Looks beautiful. And again, LED lights here and some recessed lighting. Gas cooking. Cool. All right. So here would be the other entrance. We're not coming in that way. With a coat closet. I want to comment about the floors. I really like this color. Goes super well with the kitchen. And this looks interesting. There you go, for trash cans. All right, so that is the main level. Let's shoot down to the basement. See what we got going on. Block construction. Oh, wow. Semi-finished room. Okay. New water heater. Gas fed. Just taking in double sink. Looks like some newer plumbing. And that's it. Then some, I'm going to say some crawl space area. Here's the panel, 150 amp. All right. There we go. We'll head back up. Again, we'll make this the super fast tour. And really get our bearings on the outside as well. See that view of the kitchen. Really a lot of cabinet space. I like the additional molding. Done very well. All right. Up we go. Looks like the same carpet, so I assume everything is new. Cool. Laundry's up here. Nice little laundry walkthrough. Here are 3 bedrooms. Bedroom 1, a bedroom 2. I'll walk in and spin you around because this one's a good size. Without getting you dizzy, I hope. Ooh, what's this? Closet. And bedroom number 3. So there you are. Here's the laundry room. Electric dryer. And bedroom 4, which I assume they're considering the primary. Check to see if that stays. It's a nice touch. Yeah, newer windows. Oh, taking that view. Really cool. And see a little bit of how you're tucked back here. So I'll check out that structure too. Sorry, not trying to get you dizzy. Here is the primary bathroom. Oh, wow. Cool tile work. There you go. And the sink. Little linen closet here. We'll spin you around, take you down. Because I do think we're backing up against another showing. And I like to be on time.
and respect my fellow agents. So there we go. Probably the best view here. Good angle there. And let's explore the yard here. I think it was just locked there. There we go. Let's see if this key gets us into here. I imagine it does. All right, so now we can talk about the yard. We're on a deck, or I should say a patio area here. You can see that. I believe this is stamped concrete. Let me spin you around, looks really cool. And then, I think they give us the key for this. All right, so we got that open. Let's see how big this is. Oh, wow. It's gonna be an office space for me. Huh. Really cool. High ceilings. Let me get you in and spin you around, because this is a great space. Some windows over there. More or less a shed in the back here, but excellent space. Taking the yard, the whole house here, and let's walk around. Get you a little bit more sense of what's going on. There's the AC unit. Oh yeah, and we came in the back, so there's the front way. There's the front way to get in. But I think most people are going to utilize that back. So there we go, stockade fence all the way around. Nice and neat. Might be a fire pit here, looks like it. Hard to see with this snow. And there you go. Got the patio area, the screened in porch. You do have a retractable awning right there. All right, very cool. All right, now I'll add some drone footage.